Tēnei te mani nui kia koutou. So welcome everybody. I'm Carmel Riley from Aotearoa, New Zealand, and I am in my whare, which looks straight out to sea in Christchurch or Ōtautahi, the place of tautahi, the place of a prominent ancestor. And in this video, I am going to be sharing why being a starseed and activating your spiraling starseed can help you in your life. Okay, so number one thing, we're all starseeds. We have the molecules, the axions, which go right back to the Big Bang. Everything is connected and we are always unified with what we are consistently thinking and feeling about. So when you decide to be a starseed, it is a little bit about claiming that stardust, and then it becomes a little bit about finding your home planet. But after that, and this is what we're going to go into, this is where you get to really come into your mission down under, because telling you off here like an auntie, it's not good enough to say that you feel alone, weird, you're the odd one out, you want to phone home. It's not good enough, starseeds. You are here to raise the vibration primarily of yourself, but of your family, of your kids, of your partner, of your friends, of your aunties, of your uncles, of your whānau, of your network, of the planet and the galaxy. And that is what is happening, and that's why there is so much about starseeds. There's already been 1 billion hits, but there's so much more that's coming. So this is a really short video. It will be around 8 or 9 minutes, and I'm just going to go into my most powerful practice, and in the links below there's a link to my website where you can get free resources that will help you, and in particular there's a beautiful meditation that really embodies this whole starseed. And a little disclaimer, I'm from Aotearoa, so we are Southern Hemisphere. We look at the sky upside down to the Northern Hemisphere. Astrologers, all the constellations are upside down or to the side. And that's why I'm writing my book, which is all about the South stars and about the way that we interpret them in the different calendars that we use. But this practice that I'm going to go into, and it's very easy to learn, will really take you to another level in your ascension, your awareness, and your expansion, because and bringing you into your purpose. And the reason for that is because it uses the building blocks of our galaxy, which is the spiral, and you can actually see where there are perfect examples of the spiral, aside from the fact we're in a spiral galaxy, and those are in our koru, and which is a beautiful fern which has this lovely shape. You can see this it's in our eyes in relation to our face, our ears, in our ovaries or testicles if you're a bloke. There's so many examples. The Paraphantus snail, which is a beautiful snail that lives with a Kodi tree. The Kodi tree is one of our most ancient podocarp trees, only in Aotearoa. Many shells, there's many other examples of the spiral galaxy. But the cool thing is, we also can be an example of the spiral galaxy and therefore have more expansion. So that as opposed to being a black hole, we all know black holes and we choose to be around them sometimes and sometimes not. But to be a spiral galaxy is just this simple. All you have to do is claim being a spiral starseed, understand a little bit about the golden mean, understand a little bit about the divine code or the davinci code, start looking for spirals. I mean, even the blue that goes down your drain, us it's clockwise. I think in the northern hemisphere it's anti-clockwise. Just look for spirals. They're in your coffee, they are in formations on the beach, they're in rock pools, they're all over nature. And then just choose to be in that space. And I'm going to give you my really easy meditation practice. I'm going to give you the steps and the links will be below. So firstly, find a great space where you're undisturbed. You want to lead yourself through this. You want to close your eyes and sit upright so you don't go to sleep. You want to ground, and I like to spiral down. I think of myself as this big spiraling, little bit of energy, and just I curl down as deep as I can go into the earth. I anchor there and I feel the web right through the earth because it's an earth ship going out to the galaxy. And then I draw that up through my beautiful body. I come into this very present intention to be a spiraling starseed in my heart. I sometimes do some, earth work or some love work or we call it aroha. And then I just go up and I leave. I go straight into the sun. And in the sun, I really start to fire up that aroha. So I send love like all over the galaxy, all the way down to earth, into my body, into my brain, into my thinking, into my feelings. I zap people, I zap things, I send it into the past and into the future, and I send it into other people's pasts and other people's futures. And I blow up with this incredible power of aroha, the threads, the tiny tendrils, those threads, but particularly wind them back down through to you. Set that very clear intention. Use the rays of the sun. You can go through wormholes out to other galaxies. You can ask to download in that space. You can heal, you can activate, you can fire up, you can manifest, you can whatever you like. Honestly, there's no rules. There are no limits. And it's so much fun. Some people might call this astral traveling. Some people call this what do they call it? They just call it meditation, transcendental meditation. Some people use words to transcend where they are. For me, I don't really care. I just aim to do this until I just start to feel the sinking depth of peace and incredible stillness. And then the downloads come. And sometimes I can be full of the dreaming, and you will be too. And sometimes you're just sitting there going, oh, mean as, I just feel really good. And then through your downloads, watch what shows up in your life. You'll get podcasts, notes on your phone, books will drop on your head, people will turn up in your life. Like when you're aligned with the essence, the axioms of our spiral galaxy, when you're aligned with our sun, which is a star and created our solar system and gives us life and gives us, makes our beautiful earth ship turn. When you're aligned with He Marama, the moon, then you're even more greatly attuned to this earth. So that's it. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to make the use of those free options. And there is my sun spiraling meditation video that is also on my page. So enjoy. Raise your vibe. Feel into love. Expand the love, and if you want to know anything, you can reach out to me. So have a beautiful day. Kia pai tō rā, mauri ora.